Hello guys, my name is Duba. Welcome to CeoFix channel. If you wanna watch more video like this, always stay subscribed. In this video I will try to show you how to hide specific drivers in Windows. Okay, let's go begin quick tutorial. Go to CeoFix webpage and find download button. Choose Save File Options. Open Downloads folder. Right click Hide Drivers zip file and choose Extract here. Double-click Hide Drivers file. User account control windows can pop up and asks you if you want to leave it. Click Yes to proceed. You want to write the letter of the driver. Click OK button. G directory has been hidden. Windows Explorer will restart. Click OK button. The drives you specify will no longer appear in File Explorer without having to restart your computer. To make it visible again, click the Hide Drivers file. Click OK button. OK, that's all. Please subscribe to CeoFix channel. If you liked this video, leave a thumbs up and you can comment. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.